So the AC is not really working in the car. It's kind of late, October 20th, I think, and it's like, oh, who cares? I'll wait until the spring. Sometimes the refrigerant, you can add that in there, but then they're like, well, it's not good if there's sealant in it, you know? And then, well, if it's leaking, it's a closed system, so it shouldn't be leaking. So take it in, but then it's too expensive. I'm troubleshooting. But somebody also mentioned on the internet that, oh, there's a cabin filter. Now, I thought I always saw there's a filter there. That's an engine filter, totally different. The AC system here has a filter inside of the glove box. It actually took me literally 60 seconds to do it. I'll link to a video. This is a vlog. This is about the problems I'm having. But look at how filthy this filter is. I can tell. I didn't even take it out. I can tell how filthy it is. This is the thing that's covering it. All right, like this. You can tell that it's already dirty here. But let's see the actual filter, because this is just the cover for it. You see that and this, right? Oh dear God, it is falling. Oh my God. I lived in Bel Air when this was last taken out. They showed me the filter and it was disgusting. I don't even know if this is the one that was taken out, but look at how filthy it is. Oh boy, that's falling off. I think Advanced Auto Parts has a sale on one of these. Oh man. That is so filthy. Wow. That is disgusting. Why did nobody check this? Wow. Was this ever changed? Holy Jesus Christ. Do people not check this when I get an oil change? This is the rankest, and it's all bent up. We can't reuse this for sure. Holy Christ almighty. You know what? Let's do the video screenshot thing. Dirtiest filter ever? Right. Holy shit, that is bad. It is just... wow. No wonder stuff flies out sometimes, So we're definitely going to Advanced Auto Parts for their $7.50. Wow. That is beyond disgusting. We're going to come back. Yeah, take this filter in so that you can, I'm going to have to measure this with a thing. Because I don't want to take this in. It's like, hey, do you have something like this that's less dirty? Wow. So I'm going to have to ask the mechanic, hey, so what is there some kind of, because I get an oil change every year. You'd think they'd test for this or something, right? It's not included? Apparently not. Is there a date on this? Hold on. There is a date on this. Hecho in China. This was Hecho in China. The fucking dogs. Made in China. Oh, those fucking dogs. It's just, I absolutely hate living here, Anyways, so... and that's a leaf blower in the back. So anyways, this is just filthy and disgusting. And so we know what this is. Hold on. So this is typical suburb stuff. Okay. Now, I previously mentioned, so I think that also might have been why the dogs are barking. But even if I'm just here by myself, dogs are barking. You can't do anything here. Oh, a fun new thing, the LED lights that are over there that are obnoxious, but they're not. Well, a neighbor decided to install LED lights all the way over there. So it's a total prison yard. The one saving grace is the house that somebody walked out of. The lights I was complaining about in the bathroom, they're very dim now. They're flashing, of course, but they're super dim. They're basically dying. Very good. They are flashing, but it's not a huge problem. Okay. But basically, the person coming out of there is a pooper scooper. Typical suburbs is we have pets we can't really take care of. They're shitting everywhere in the yard. We have to pay somebody to come out here every week to pick up dog shit. Filthy, disgusting habit. Speaking of, yeah, this is just plant matter here, okay? It's not poop. You know, at least they pick it up, I guess. At least they pick it up. But, you know, the leaf blowers comes once a week or twice a month, blow the poop in the air, and then pick it up sometimes, have the dogs barking. LED lights, we'll go visit that when this guy's gone. I don't want to bother him, you know. But, so we are going to Advanced Auto Parts. You know what, let me go back upstairs. And we'll clean this up when I come back, because we're gonna have to suck this out with a vacuum, so you know, and I have a tool for that. But let me put that order in so I don't have to. Yeah, I'll do that, and then we'll be right back. Perfect. You know, perfect timing here because I have errand day. So we'll actually be going to H-E-B first to pick up some light bulbs. They sell the light bulbs I have in my bathroom vanity. 2 of them went out at the same time. All right, let me actually check the AC here. Ooh, that's rustling. Oh boy. Well, that's what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take this in the garage and clean this out. Plus there's all this bullshit everywhere now, but that's just what it is. So yeah, we might as well just free all that garbage out. So now the other thing is, the whole reason I started this process is because I was feeling the AC's kind of cold. Are we going to add some refrigerant to it that has sealant in it? Some people don't like it, right? And then the other thing is, it probably has a leak anyways, but, check the air filter. I think I also used AI for this. But I'm feeling right now, again, I haven't turned the car on today. It's not too bad, you know? And I have a food thermometer. I don't have a laser thing, but I did want to check this because this works with the AC upstairs. It's not as fast as like a normal thermometer, but let's stick it in here. Well, let me just stick it in here. Does it hold? Or does it just fall out? You know what? It's like 72, 73. Most of the leaves are out now because it's no longer. Yeah, well. It sucks the air in there. Oh, there's some stuff coming from here because I usually don't open that vent. So. Well, it's time to go inside when we come back. But anyways, we're going to H-E-B to get some bulbs. Kroger has some club soda I like. And that's on the way to Advanced Auto Parts, which I have the order for the filter. So that filthy, disgusting filter is. But this isn't too bad. It's at 68, 69. We can stick it back in when it's not that bad though. I think that filter was clogging a lot of it up, but we'll see. Plus, I mean, it is going to be, it's like 85 right now. It still is pretty hot. But anyways, let's go. Let's just do that. Maybe I'll do a map thing on this. I don't have much else to talk about, so that's all right. So we are here at H-E-B, and the current reading, it turned off, but the current reading is 75, somewhere right there, 74. It's still going down. So around 70 something. So it's not completely dead because it's like, again, 85 and humid outside, but the filter has to be changed out anyways. It was just disgusting, and I need a filter in there, but it doesn't really solve the issue. It wasn't backed up. That wasn't the reason. I think the airflow is a little better, so that helps, but, you know, it still is too hot. So I'm going to get my light bulbs, and what else do I need to get? Milk. How long are we staying in here? Because I thought see, I was going to go get the filter first, but you know what? We'll figure this out. We're on the way anyways, so we'll see. All right, so we didn't go to HEB yet. I've decided to come to the auto parts store, Advanced Auto Parts, and get our filter. Isn't that wonderful? So I'm not going to permanently put it in, but it seems like it's the same size. It's actually 8.5 by 8.5. Oh, fuck my asshole. It's maybe the wrong, well, made in Poland. Well, that's, I think it, yeah, I think it's, I think it was so constricted that I got the wrong measurements off of it, you know, but I think it's the right. Let me just shove this in and see what happens. Now it's down arrow or something. Who the fuck knows? Does it really even matter? It looks like it's the same thing. Anyways, it's getting hot in here, so let me just shove this in and see how it even operates. Does it even stick in there? Yeah, it goes on the side pretty easily. So okay. Let's see how this works now. All right, I'm not gonna close that up because we need to clean that out. I'll probably take it out and put some vacuum in there as well, or blow stuff out. But it looks like it works. This was usually $30. It's the super duper carbon activated one. It's usually $30. It was $7.50. So that was actually pretty good. And yeah, we'll see how this works. And so we'll go to Kroger because it's right next door for some water. And we'll go back to HEB for the other things, the light bulb and the other thing. Where the hell is my phone? Is right here. So yeah, that's it for now. And where is Kroger? Oh, it's right there. It is right there. So we'll go to Kroger and see what kind of water they have, because they're always out at my place with a nice cheap 2-liter club soda. So we'll buy like a dozen if they have it. All right, so they have a lot of soda, so that's good. All right, so basically they have a lot of even incandescent lights, but the one I need, not sold in store, of course. So let's try somewhere else. All right, so we're in luck. Not only do they have it, but this other thing I buy for the bathroom is also on sale. It's like half off. So we'll buy a bunch of that too. Good day. All right, so here's the problem, and we'll see the solution. There we go. It's done. So yeah, we got to clean the car. We got to do other stuff. But, you know, today was a bunch of driving around, really not accomplishing that much. But, you know, whatever. So we'll do more. And it's done. So it was super simple to put it back. The filter's good. We cleaned it out. We put it back in. We're in the garage, of course. Of course, this is when I get messages. When I get like 2 messages a week. Of course, it has to interrupt this. That's fine. No one else can see it. But this is fun. So this works. The filter is really nice and clean. Of course, it doesn't do anything with the heat. So maybe tomorrow I'll take it in. I might even call and say, because the other thing is, I had the alignment. I don't know if I did a video on it. The inner treads of the tires are always shredded, and it's like, that's an alignment issue. But it was other things. They read it. Oh shit, well, it was so easy to put back in. I forgot to put this in. Oh well, we'll do that next. It's so easy to take it in and out, so that's fine. But I took the alignment thing in for the wheel alignment, and it cost a fortune because they had to replace some other things. But they said after 1,000 miles, come back so we can check it. It's been about 700-800 miles because I don't drive too much. That's probably enough. I'll call them tomorrow and say, hey, 700-800 miles. Also, we need an AC leak check or whatever because the filter's now clean, and, So anyways, I'm going to clean the rest of the car out. I'm going to actually put this back together, although apparently this isn't that necessary, but it might wiggle out, so we'll just have to redo it. That's fine. And that's it for now. And of course, the car, which we finished cleaning, does not start because there's also battery issues. Again, I take short trips. This is one more reason to go tomorrow. I have a jump starter. We'll see how that works. Otherwise, we're stuck in the garage forever. But let's see. The AC is on. You know what? Let's turn the AC off. Let's turn... Okay. All right, let's see. The lights are off, so that's good. And let's see how this works. Okay. So this means it won't start when I need to go swimming. So, right. Even better. Even better. Well, so add this to the list for what we're doing tomorrow is, the batteries kind of suck. So if you could do a check on that, that'd be great. Because they also, I don't know. Anyways, let's see how the AC, well, the AC is not that bad. I mean, it's air. If I turn the AC off, it's warmer. I read online it should be like super freezing, and that's what I remember. Like, you didn't need to put on a massive amount of... Anyways. All right. Let's at least park the car, huh? Let's at least park the car. Now, do we want to go for a joyride real quick, perhaps? And maybe recharge the battery, because when I went on the highway, although I don't want to go on the highway with 5 p.m. traffic. So, anyways, let me hold the thing down. Let's go around the block at least and see what happens. Wonderful. Maybe it'll recharge the batteries a little bit, but I doubt that. Let's see here. Ay. So there's a lot of fun stuff to do tomorrow. So I basically just ran around, tried to clean up some basic bullshit, and not much else got done, but, All right. Anyways, I think that's it. I'll continue circling around the block to maybe put a little bit of extra battery juice in here. But, yeah, that's it for now. Boy, do I need a drink right now. So I think we're going to double post this. This is going to be the ending of today's saga of getting a few things done, but only realizing that we need a battery check. Because, again, we don't know if the car is going to start, tonight. I have a battery backup, so we'll see. Okay, we'll see. We need to check the AC tomorrow at the mechanics. Maybe they can do the alignment. I don't know. We're done for today for most tasks, but we do need a beer. So we will be drinking beer number whatever it is, 5, I think, 5 of 6. I still have to go to Total Wine. I'm sure I'll make a fun adventure out of that too. Oktoberfest Festa beer. This is from Sierra Nevada.